Stop struggling with poor soil and bad drainage. Raise your own garden bed with 360 Farms and start growing like a pro. With 360 Farms, you're not just planting seeds, you're planting the future. Our custom-built raised garden beds are designed to make gardening a breeze. Whether you have a sprawling yard or a cozy balcony, we've got a bed that fits perfectly. Why go raised? Raised garden beds offer better drainage and complete soil control, giving your plants the perfect environment to thrive. Plus, say goodbye to back pain. Our elevated designs make gardening accessible for everyone. Assembling your new bed is a snap, even for novice DIYers. And with our local focus, you're supporting your community too. Ready to dig in? Visit 360 Farms today and start growing your own fresh, delicious produce. Raise your own garden bed and raise your gardening game. Or grow your own raised beds. 3660 Albany.